Okay, so we're back, and this time I'm going to show you guys how to use the the PCSG's eSchool to teach. So we start off with the beginning. This is the beginning area. This is where the welcome channels are. You will scroll past all these categories. So these are the categories here. Important, chats, resources, selection, which we'll scroll past. And now we've entered the school. Where you enter the school is here at eClassroom. That's where the school begins. So I have separated everything to be easy for you guys. These are where the live classrooms will be, where you can teach as many students as you want. You can talk to them, discuss something with them. However, you cannot share your screen and turn on your video. Then we have the chat rooms. These are the places where you can chat with the students. They ask you specifically for help during your office hours, or during the class you want to explain this and that to them. You can do so in here. Scrolling down, then we have the screen rooms. Go there. Come up. Good. The screen rooms. These are where you will join the voice channel, the speaker, and you will go live, you will share your screen, and that's where you can have interactive screen sharing class. This is the same for all the other forms. Then you have the form 4 classrooms, chat rooms, screen rooms. The form 5 classrooms, chat rooms, screen rooms. And then the form 6 chat rooms, screen rooms, classrooms. What I've made it easy for you guys is that we have used an emoji organization to help you guys maneuver the school. So for fifth form physics, we have a magnifying glass. For the chat room, if you scroll down to the screen rooms, that same magnifying glass is used. It is lagging. 1 minute. Good. There you have your magnifying glass. Good. So you've discussed the segregation of categories. Each thing is a category, and how I've made it easy for you guys to chat with the students, share your screen, and host classes with the students, and have your live classes where you have your discussions. Great. Please note that you will have your classes here in the screen rooms. Okay? Very good. All right, great. So now let's go a bit more in depth. We're going to scroll back up to the third form. We're going to use the third form for our demonstration. Let us go to chemistry. Actually, we're in chemistry. If it's highlighted, that means you're inside of the chat room. How you can switch, let's go to English language. English language is now highlighted, therefore you're in the English language chat room. So we can type and say English lang class for third form starts now. You click enter, and now all third form students who do English language will find you in here. You will go here, like so. You'll click it. Great, you're in the screen room. We'll wait for it to be voice connected. Great, you're voice connected. It's time for class. Let's begin class. Let's share our screen. Click share your screen. Great. Go to screens. Great. Click screen 1. Great. Go live. Great. Just like that. Now you're live. All students will click your screen to watch your live. Mine is black, but normally they can see exactly what your screen is showing. So they would see all of this. You go to different applications, they will see all of that. Okay, like that. Oh. Okay, and that's it for that tutorial. All right.